naturally. Second nature, nothing left to prove. Every little change I made helped me find the truth. Second nature, everything feels right, like a door that's always been there, standing in the light. Every season found its place right before my eyes. Every burden lost its weight under open skies. What I thought was far away never left at all. Sometimes all it really takes is hearing your own call. If the river finds the sea without wondering when, maybe every winding road knows where it will end. Maybe every quiet voice carries something new.